Alright, so on this job, customer has a loose step and a block underneath has disintegrated. So our job is to make that step safe. So as you can see in here, this block completely disintegrated. There's the remainder of it. And the lower block underneath is disintegrating also. That's the original height of it. And this is a 1/2 inch lower. It completely disintegrated. That's what rock salt and age does. This is a 23-year-old front step. So it's pretty much at its end of its lifespan. Once the bottom blocks start deteriorating, there's not much you can do long term, but we're going to do the repair. So I got that one stone repaired, replaced, but they're all loose. Somebody glued these. That's the original glue there, the yellow. And then obviously over time they're gonna loosen, but somebody used this white glue and it's not even cured. It's just liquid. So now I gotta put some glue on this one. So that one is the one I repaired underneath that. That one was loose, that one's loose, that one's loose. More than likely, most of them are gonna be loose. So let me try to get some glue on this one and then clean up. That's all the job really entailed, was that one right there. But while I'm here, I'll throw some glue on there. So that's done. You can see the new block right there. All these are loose, so we re-glued all those. Putting a rock on it to spread the weight out for a couple days to let it cure, because it is below freezing right now. But this job is done. See you on the next one.